Hello and welcome back to the Weather Centre. It's going to be a stormy Sunday across most of the country, especially in the Cape Provinces, the Free State and KwaZulu-Natal. A cutoff flow west of South Africa is slowly moving closer to our coastline, and this will result in a cool and wet start to the week. A cloud band is extending from Namibia into the northwestern parts of South Africa, with a few isolated thundershowers that have already developed in the Northern Cape, and more storms are expected later this afternoon, as can be seen on the synoptic analysis. The green color indicates the thunder showers for today, with a very stormy day that's expected around Graafrenet, Beaufort West and Kumani. Some of the storms will also reach the south coast. It will be a windy day along the coast of Port Elizabeth, and then this evening the low pressure in the southwest will push moisture onto the west coast, which can result in some light rainfall overnight. Tomorrow afternoon that cutoff low moves closer, and this again causes very stormy weather across a large part of the country. Those storms also reaching the east and the south coast, and again very stormy weather over the high-lying areas of KwaZulu-Natal and the Eastern Cape. The rainfall map for today indicates scattered thunderstorms along the eastern escarpment, as well as the area around De Aar and Aliwal North, with some of those storms also along the south coast. Isolated thundershowers are possible on the Highveld of Mpumalanga and in the Free State. The rainfall accumulation for 36 hours starting this morning at 6 o'clock indicates widespread rain over the next 2 days. The blue color shows up to 25 millimeters of rain, with the purple color indicating up to 50 millimeters of rain. There are two weather alerts for today. The first one is for severe thunderstorms, and here the storms may be associated with large hail and damaging winds. There's also a watch for a gale force easterly wind along the coast between Plettenberg Bay and Cannon Rocks. This will subside this evening. And we can see those strong winds on the wind map along the coast of the Eastern Cape, with a moderate wind in KwaZulu-Natal and light winds today on the Highveld. The afternoon maximum temperatures will be in the lower to mid-30s, and a very warm day along the south coast with 32 in George, 32 also in De Aar, and slightly cooler conditions over the western interior compared to the last couple of days. It's also a hot day in Gauteng with 34 in Pretoria. This evening will again be warm along the east coast with a minimum of 20 in Richards Bay and Durban, also warm over the Northern Cape and northwest. Tomorrow we still expect thunderstorms across most of South Africa. The storms now also in Cape Town with a maximum of 27 as a result of the cutoff low. And then on Tuesday the storms move eastwards, with rain still expected along the south coast and more rain still expected in the mother city. So remember to put your water buckets and water tanks out so that you can collect some rainwater. That's it from the Weather Desk.